Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, thank you for joining me today. My name is Aisha. So today I'm feeling kind of creative, so I thought I would do a sunflower inspired look because I did a daisy inspired look like a week ago, I think, for spring. So today I thought maybe I could do like a mini series of spring flowers, and I love sunflowers, so that is what we're going to be doing today. So yeah, because we are all in quarantine, you guys can just sit with me while I do my makeup to go nowhere. Well, basically I wouldn't go out with this look probably anyway, because I think I'm going to do a creative look, a very out there kind of look, but it's mainly for Instagram purposes, not really for like going out purposes. Although I'm going to make the eye look kind of wearable, spring, yellowish, whatever. Me and my descriptions, again, so good, I know. So yeah, that is the plan for today. So if you guys want to see the look that I'm going to create, then just keep watching. So yeah, as we're going to be using yellow, obviously because sunflowers are yellow, I'm going to be using the JACLYN Hill and Morphe Volume 2 palette, and I'm literally just going to use some of like the brown tones in the palette and obviously this yellow shade here. So the first shade I'm going to go in with, I think I'm going to use a transition shade, and I'm going to take this one up here, which is called Perfectionist. So I'm just going to take that on a fluffy brush and blend that into the crease, just as I said, as the transition. So I'm just going to use that on my 228 Luxe Crease brush by Zoeva, and oh no, I took the yellow. I took the wrong shade, guys. I took the yellow one. Okay, don't worry, I'm just going to blend it out a bit. So yeah, I'm taking Perfectionist and I'm just going to blend that into the crease. This brush is so fluffy, so it makes it really easy to blend, especially for the crease shade. So I'm gonna wing it out as usual. Got a bit confused there, didn't I? And I'm kind of excited and kind of nervous at the same time because my creative looks either go really well or really badly. So we'll see how it turns out today. Okay, so we've got that down as the transition shade, and I'm going to deepen it up a little bit, and I'm going to take the shade G Money, which is this deeper brown shade over here, and I'm going to take that on like a slightly thinner fluffy brush. This is the 227 Luxe Soft Definer brush by Zoeva as well. Should have used my Tati palette for this maybe, but yeah, I just want to make it a bit easier for myself and also for you guys if you ever want to recreate my looks. I am kind of a disaster when explaining my looks, so I don't know how easy they are to recreate, to be honest. So what have you guys been doing in quarantine? I've been filming a lot of videos, as you can maybe tell from my channel, and yeah, the editing process takes so long for me because I am kind of new to it, so that takes up a lot of my time. I'm also doing online lessons because I teach kids English, and we're doing online lessons. I mean, it's like online chats or whatever, because some of the kids are 2 to 3 years old. So we basically just dance and sing and have a lot of fun, just so like we take their minds off of everything, just for half an hour a day, and they love it. Yesterday I cooked some lasagna. Okay, so now we've got those down, I'm kind of happy with that for now. I might go in with like a deeper shade later, but now we're going to cut the crease. So let's play a game. Guess the concealer that I'm going to use to cut my crease. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Yes! NABLA concealer in the shade Ivory. This is like the only thing I ever use to cut my crease. Brush, where are you? So I'm using my Zoeva 238 Luxe Precise Shader brush, and I'm gonna do a big cut crease, like a long one. I mean, it's gonna go all the way to the end. Okay, so we have one down, and then just quickly, in case the concealer is going to crease, I'm just gonna set it with the white shade in the JACLYN Hill palette. Just slightly tap that on there, just to set down the concealer, as I just said. That's that one. Let me just do the other one quickly off camera, and I'll be back. Right, so that's about as even as we're probably gonna get it. So I'm gonna stop there. And now I'm going to go in with the yellow shade in the palette, which is called No Joke. This one right here. And I'm just going to put that all the way along the lid. So we need a flat brush. Where is my flat brush? Where is my flat brush? So I'm taking this Anastasia brush, which came in one of her palettes, and I'm just going to pack the orange on. This yellow is so pigmented. I am obsessed with it. So what's your guys' favourite flower. Mine is actually, well, sunflowers. I love sunflowers. And I also like white roses, or even roses in general. I mean, like pink ones, not really red ones. I don't know why I'm not like a big fan of red, although obviously it is beautiful. Why is that patchy? Excuse me, no joke. Why are you deciding to be patchy today? Obviously I probably have dry eyelids. Okay, so that one's done. So pretty. I think I'm gonna add some, like, I don't know, more darkness in the crease, just because I want it to contrast a bit more. That's the only problem I think with this palette, is that there's not like a super dark brown shade. So I'm going to cheat a little bit and use her original palette. I mean, most people that have the volume 2 probably do have the original palette, and I'm going to go into a mixture of these two dark browns here and just put that on the outer corner. I'm going to use a flat brush just to place down the product. These are really pigmented, so be careful. Oh no. Oh, I did say I was going to put this in the crease, but apparently I've decided to put it on the outer corner. I'm a mess today. But apparently that's where this look is going, and apparently it's looking patchy AF. Why is that so patchy? Oh my goodness. Just doesn't want to stick to this bit here. So I don't know if that's the fault of my eyelids because they are dry, or if it's the yellow shade or whatever, or if it's these brown shades in the original palette. I don't even know. Okay, so it's a bit of a mess, but I think I'm gonna cover it up later with liner. So first I'm just taking a makeup wipe and I'm just gonna clean up the outer corner. Okay, so that's looking a little bit better. I'm gonna clean it up even more with concealer later. Now I'm going to do a winged liner. So I want to use like a dark brown. I don't want to use a black today. And I've got this one. This is by Sigma. I do actually have a discount code for Sigma, so I'll leave that in the description box below if you guys are interested. This is the Sigma Gel Liner in Stunningly Ladylike. So I'm taking that on my Sigma small angled E65 brush, and I'm gonna create a wing. So it's probably coming off black on camera, but it is, I promise you, dark brown. So we're going for a very lifted wing today, apparently. Okay, that is the world's thickest wing right there, but don't worry. Okay, let me just do the other eye quickly and then I'll be back because this is stressing me out. Okay, so we have both eyes done and it looks a bit of a mess, to be honest, but it's okay. Right, so now what I'm going to do is just do the rest of my base off camera. So I'm gonna do concealer and everything, and like blush, whatever, and then I'll be back to do some little sunflowers on my face. So I'll see you guys in a second. Okay guys, so I am back. I will link all the products I use in the description box down below if you are interested. And as you can see, I put on a lot of blush, a lot of highlighter, but I want to do some sunflowers like running across the middle of my face here. This is not my original idea. I did get some inspiration from Instagram, but what I want to do is like lay down a base of blush going in like a 3 shape so that it looks really rosy and kind of like flushed. So I'm using the Clinique Cheek Pop blush, and this is the color Ginger Pop. They are so cute. I don't even know if they make these anymore. If they do, I really recommend them. They are so cute. Like, look at the little flower. So I'm just taking a lot of that on my brush. Let me just show you guys. So yeah, I'm taking a lot because I'm gonna put that, as I said, in a 3 shape, just so we have like a cute kind of base to put the flowers on top of. Oh gosh, I'm looking a bit crazy. As I said, this is not really a going out look. Not that we have anywhere to go, so that's great. So now we need to draw some little sunflowers. And to help me, I've also got the NYX Vivid Brights liners. I've got the yellow, the orange, and the green ones. I think for the brown, I'm just gonna use the Sigma Gel liner. So what I'm gonna do is like place the dots, so like the middle part of the sunflower where I want them, and then I'll do the yellow bit, obviously. This is the Sigma eyeliner E05. 1 circle. Looks like a beauty spot. I want to make them like little sunflower freckles. I should have made them just bigger and made it easier for myself, because now we're gonna draw loads of bloody sunflowers, aren't we? So you guys probably get the gist by now, so I'm gonna go in like a 3 shape. Okay, so oh gosh, I look even more crazy right now. What am I doing? I don't even know. Okay, so I think it's gonna be easier to just go straight in with the eyeliner. This is the NYX Vivid Brights liner in Vivid Halo, and it's just a yellow eyeliner. So we're gonna draw the petals. It's kind of easy. I'm just like drawing lines or like little triangles around the dot. Yay, 1 sunflower. Well done, Aisha. So 1 down, 27 to go. That's kind of cute, right? Should I leave you guys here just so you can see a bit better? I feel like I've had Botox, because if I move my face, I can just feel the eyeliner cracking. So I'm trying not to smile. I mean, it's not difficult, it's just very time consuming, but we have all the time in the world right now. So that is one side done. Let me just do my nose and the other side. I bet this eyeliner is gonna run out before I finish my face. Let's hope not. The nose is always the most difficult part. Finally! Again, try not to move my face too much because it's kind of like dry. And now we just need to do the lower lash line. So I'm just going to put the yellow all the way along the lower lash line from the JACLYN Hill Volume 2 palette. And I'm taking that on a pencil brush. I'm just smoking that onto the lower lash line. I'm going to make it quite blown out, I guess. Okay, and then on the waterline, we're going to take this. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the colour Electric. It's so beautiful. So I'm just going to put that on the lower lash line. Actually, this is more of a blue. Okay, so I found this Maybelline New York chromatic pencil, and this looks more green, I think. So I'm just gonna put that on the top. This is definitely a good dupe for the Urban Decay one. Okay, that's kind of cute. Before I do brows and lashes and mascara and everything, I'm just gonna do the lips quickly. Okay, I'm going for the Too Faced Melted Lipstick, and this is in Melted Nude, so should be nude, right? This is so old. They probably don't even sell these anymore, and I probably shouldn't be using it. But it smells fine. Okay, so the last things to do are my brows and lashes, and I'll do that off camera, and then I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. So guys, I just realised I had lipstick all over my teeth. I don't know how long it's been there. So yeah, that's the only bad thing about these Too Faced liquid lipsticks, is that they don't dry down matte, but I'm sure that they do have matte ones. But anyway, this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I mean, I think it turned out kind of cute. I did have a lot of issues with the blending on my eyes and stuff, but minus that, like this would be, minus the flowers, this would be a kind of cute spring look, I think. And the flowers were actually not too difficult to create, because I literally just like drew little lines, and this NYX Vivid Brights liner made it so easy because the brush is so thin. Yeah, my lashes are DODO lashes. I actually got sent them, so thank you DODO lashes. They're really cute. They're in the style D119. I had a lot of fun creating this look and talking to you guys, because the only person I can talk to in real life at the moment is my boyfriend, and it's nice to talk to someone else. No, I'm joking, he's so nice. So I might start a little series, as I said at the beginning, like a flower series. If you guys are interested in that, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and also don't forget to click the subscribe button before you leave, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching, bye bye!